This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the gift card number and PIN, usually under a scratch panel or in an email. Enter them carefully. Typos cause declines. Once done, check the balance on the issuer's site so you know available funds and sign into the store account you'll use. Make sure billing details match the payment account. This prevents address mismatch errors. Preparing these essentials speeds checkout and reduces failed authorizations, which saves time and preserves the card balance for purchases. You proceed to checkout and select the gift card or store credit payment option. Many sites require entering the card number plus a PIN or expiry. Type each character exactly and confirm there are no spaces or extra zeros. If the card covers only part of the total, choose split payment and add a second method for the remainder. Many platforms accept combining a gift card with a credit card. Once done, review the final total so you avoid partial charges or duplicate payments. You finish by confirming the order and saving the confirmation email. That documents the transaction. Once done, check the remaining balance on the card so you know what's left for future purchases. If the card is declined, first recheck the number, PIN, balance, and billing address. Most declines stem from simple mismatches. If problems persist, contact the issuer's customer service with the card number and order ID. They can locate holds, reverse charges, or reissue funds after verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.